Hello biology students. We're going to move into the next step today. I missed the last 2 days and I apologize for that. I'm sick one day and then I got a conference today I got to go to. The focus for the last 2 weeks have been on photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process that plants come down, gather light, blow up some water, take all that energy that was released from the blowing up of water and sticking it into what's called ATP and an ADPH. Then we use all that energy and shove it into a glucose molecule that is stable. And then that glucose molecule is ready for the next step. Plants like marijuana, apples, potatoes, tulips all do photosynthesis. So it doesn't matter if it's illegal, it doesn't matter if it is just for prettiness or if it is for food. Plants still have to do photosynthesis, and people spend countless amounts of hours trying to manipulate these plants to make photosynthesis occur so that we can get a product from them. Once the plant has made the photosynthesis happen, we have glucose, and that glucose now can be used. If you are a person in here and not a cyborg robot that can utilize something else for their energy, you are called a heterotroph, where you go off and you gather glucose. You either eat a plant or you eat an animal that has gathered glucose before you eating that animal. I don't think that made sense. It'd be like you eating a cow. A cow eats plants, then the cow gets the glucose, and then we eat the cow, but we're still eating the glucose that was made by the plants. No? Maybe you did. Maybe you got that. So even if you eat a cow and you say you are not eating any vegetables ever in your life, you're still eating vegetables because the item that you eat once was derived from photosynthesis products. I'm digressing a little bit because that's a hard thought, but coming back to where I want you to get to today is a note sheet that is on the class documents. This note sheet has about 4 or 5 pages, I don't remember, that deals with cellular respiration. The first part deals with an overview of heterotrophs and autotrophs. Again, you should have that in your notes for photosynthesis. The next part gets into 3 steps of cellular respiration. That was 3 steps of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes glucose, blows it up, and then all the energy that's released from the blowing up of glucose is then used in us so that you can do videos on the YouTube, watch videos on the YouTube, and anything else that we do in between. I didn't just take it from a book, and I didn't just take it from an internet source, because everybody has to learn about cellular respiration if you take biology. And so it's a combination of a whole crap ton of different resources. I want you to try to figure out as many as you can get. Some people might be able to read a few more than others, and those people I hope help out the rest of the class. Other individuals might go to internet pages and not understand them and need to go to the book. Well, the book's underneath your desk. Go to the book, read about it, and then try to capture it into your notes. The second page of the notes deals with glycolysis, and that one I would recommend you to find a diagram. A basic diagram. Don't go to AP biology or college biology sites. Find a basic diagram of how glucose is split into 2 3-carbon chains called pyruvate, releasing some ATP, some NADPHs, and figure that out. Now your book has a pretty good one. The book has a pretty basic one. It gets a little more in depth, but it isn't bad. And you should be able to find the blanks on the note sheet. If you don't find all the blanks on the note sheet, nobody's going to take your birthday away. But hopefully you can find a lot of them. You have all period today to try to find these so that on Wednesday we can go quick. I think that's enough for you. This has been 4 minutes of me rambling about what I want you to do. So if you need to watch it again, watch it again. I didn't give very many answers for the note sheet, but I gave a few. Good luck to you, and we'll see you on Wednesday.